Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Anu Sharma and basically मुझे सर्दियों में मुंह धोना तक पसंद नहीं है. So I thought at least once in a week मेरी skin deserve करती है skin care, and I started searching for skin care products and I came across this beautiful Iba skin brightening kit, and just look at its packaging. Isn't it wow? लेकिन इससे भी ज़्यादा वाव इसके प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. सो लेट मी ओपन इट यू. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये आता है इसका फेस वॉश, and this is skin serum along with the skin brightening cream, and here you'll get eye cream, and these products are just wow. And after applying on my face I got to know one thing, that in winters these are for typical oily skin, and for summers nothing is as best as it. Wish list now, buy it in summers and thanks me later. Wait, this is not the end. I ordered it for 1200 rupees, and along with this I was sent me 4 gifts, which is just wow. Let me show you guys. So first, this is Hydra Serum Moisturizer basically. So this is for 115 rupees, along with this beautiful cute face wash. And see, this is Iba's regular lipstick, and which is of 599 rupees. And at last, this is Iba's blush lipstick, and this is for 450 rupees. And honestly, after applying this, it stayed for so long, like pani se bhi nahi ja raha tha ye to. And what else you are expecting in your 1200? So do purchase it right now and thanks me later. And do like, share and subscribe my video, and thank you for watching.